Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, Chapter 1, Preliminary, Section 125. What is the meaning of tribal area for the purpose of Section 1 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, Assam, as prescribed in Para 20 of the 6th Schedule of the Constitution? Which one of the following is correct answer? Provisions of Cr.P.C.Ch does not apply to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. All the provision of Cr.P.C.Ch is not apply to the state of Nagaland. The provision of Cr.P.C.Ch other than those relating to chapter 8, 10, 11 thereof shall not apply in which one of the following state of Nagaland? Warrant case means relating to an offense punishable with death, imprisonment for life, or imprisonment for term exceeding 2 years. Warrant case is related to an offense punishable with death penalty, life imprisonment, or imprisonment more than 2 years. Under the scheme of Cr.P.C.Ch, non-cognizable offenses are private wrongs. An offense punishable with punishment exceeding 2 years is triable as warrant case. Summon case means case related to an offense punishable with imprisonment for the term not exceeding 2 years. Which one of the following statement is correct? The word and expression used but not defined in Cr.P.C.Ch shall have the meaning assigned to them in IPC. An offense punishable with imprisonment for term exceeding 2 years related to warrant case. In certain cases, police officer can arrest any person without order of magistrate and without a warrant. Complainant case under section 2D is written or oral. Which statement is true? Summon case means a case which is not a warrant case. Inquiry under Cr.P.C.Ch is conducted by magistrate or court. Warrant case has been defined as a case relating to an offense punishable with death, imprisonment for life, or imprisonment for a term exceeding 2 years. In non-cognizable case, police officer has authority neither to investigate without the order of magistrate nor can arrest the accused without warrant. Billable offense within the meaning of Cr.P.C.Ch means an offense which is enumerated as billable in first schedule, all other offenses as stated in criminal law. Section 2C of Cr.P.C.Ch defines cognizable offense. 2H of Cr.P.C.Ch defines the term investigation. Which one of the following does not apply to the cognizable offense? Does not apply to the criminal. The police can investigate only by the order of magistrate. Offense punishable with less than 2 years. Non-billable offense imply offense where grant of bail is discretionary with the court but discretion has to be exercised on well-established principle for grant of bail. Investigation under Cr.P.C.Ch is conducted by the police only. Cognizable offence has defined under section 2C. Under which section of Cr.P.C.Ch cognizable offence has been defined? 2C. Cognizable offence means offence in which police officer may arrest without warrant. Complainant may relate it to a cognizable offence, a non-cognizable offence. Bailable offence means where to get bail as a right. Wrong. C option is correct. Which is shown as bailable in first schedule of Cr.P.C.Ch or under any law for the time being in force. What is not true with regard to complainant under section 2D of Cr.P.C.Ch? It includes police report. Which one is correct? It is made to a magistrate with a view to take action under the code. It is an allegation made oral or in written that some person, whether known or unknown, has committed any offence. Under which section of Cr.P.C.Ch the term offence has been defined? Section 2N. In which one of the following section of Cr.P.Ch investigation has been defined? Section 2H. Under which section of Cr.P.Ch the term offence has been defined? Section 2N. The definition of the victim was incorporated in Cr.P.Ch by Amendment Act of 2009. Complainant means any allegation made oral or in written to a magistrate to take action against known and unknown person who has not committed any offence. Summon case means relating to offence and not being a warrant case. Non-cognizable offence means a police officer has no authority to arrest without warrant. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Police station 2O is not correctly matched. Which one is correctly matched? Inquiry 2G, judicial proceeding 2I, pleader 2Q. Inquiry is conducted by magistrate or court. In which one of the following statement is true? Inquiry means every inquiry other than trial conducted conducted under the Cr.P.Ch by magistrate or court. Which section of Cr.P.Ch defined cognizable offence? 2C. Under 2L of Cr.P.Ch, non-cognizable offence means cases in which a police officer has no authority to arrest without warrant. Which one of the following section of Cr.P.Ch 1973 has defined the word offence? 2N. Complainant as defined under section 2D of Cr.P.Ch 1973 is concerned with cognizable offence, non-cognizable offence. In which one of the following section of Cr.P.Ch cognizable offence has been defined? 2C. Which one of the following is not correct in respect to term victim? In section 2WA of Cr.P.Ch does not include guardian but legal heir. Warrant case means a case related to an offence punishable with death, imprisonment for life for term exceeding 2 years. As per Cr.P.Ch Procedural Amendment Act 2008, 5 of 2009 with effect to 31/12/2009, which inserted a clause WA in Section 2 of CRPC defines victim as a person who has suffered any loss or injury caused by the reason of act or omission for which the accused person has been charged, includes victim's guardian and legal heir. Under the scheme of CRPC, non-cognizable offence means private wrong. Warrant case is as defined under 2X of CRPC in the case related to offence punishable with death, imprisonment for life or imprisonment for term exceeding 2 years. Which one of the following section of CRPC 1973 define judicial proceeding? 2I. Any proceeding during which evidence is taken on oath is called judicial proceeding. Non-cognizable offence means offence where police officer cannot arrest without warrant. In the case of cognizable offence, police has to arrest without warrant and to investigate without the court order. Non-cognizable offence means police officer cannot arrest without warrant. 2X of CRPC define warrant case as those punishable imprisonment for term exceeding 2 years. Which one of the following statement does not come under the definition of complainant of section 2D of the Criminal Procedure Code? D. Police report made after investigation which disclose the commission of cognizable is not included. Which one is included are complainant of an oral or written allegation. It is made only to the magistrate. It is related to some person or unknown who has committed an offence. Consider the following statement. Which one is correct? Investigation made by police officer. The object of a police investigation is collect investigation evidence. Investigation is not a judicial proceeding. Summon case means case related to offence punishable with imprisonment for a term not exceeding 2 years. Inquiry under CRPC is to be conducted by magistrate or court. Warrant case means a case related to offence punishable with death, imprisonment for life, imprisonment for term exceeding 2 years. Which one of the following is not a judicial proceeding? Hearing before an arbitrator is not a judicial proceeding. Hearing before a judge is a judicial proceeding. Hearing by a person who is authorized to take evidence. Hearing by a magistrate. Definition of offence is given under section 2N of CRPC. Cognizable offence means an offence for which a police may arrest without warrant. Which one of the following proceeding is known as judicial proceeding? Inquiry and trial. Non-cognizable case defined in section 2L of CRPC. Inquiry is conducted by a magistrate or a court. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Public prosecutor 2V is not correctly matched. Which one is correctly matched? Inquiry 2G of CRPC. Non-cognizable offence section 2L. Police report 2R. The most essential ingredients of complainant is an allegation of an offence which is with a view to take action. Under which section of CRPC the term offence has been defined? 2N. Complainant means an allegation oral or written to a magistrate. Which one of the following has been specifically excluded from the definition of complainant under section 2D of CRPC. Police report. A cognizable offense. In cognizable offense, a police may arrest an accused without warrant. In cognizable case, police will have power to investigate and arrest without warrant only after informing the magistrate having a jurisdiction to inquiry and try the offense. Permission to investigate in non-cognizable offense can be granted by magistrate having jurisdiction to try the case. Summon case means a case which is not a warrant case. The Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 came into the force on 1st April 1974. The Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 extends to the whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir, which is not correct. The whole of India. Subject to some exception, the provision of CRPC is not applicable to tribal area of undivided Assam. The CRPC Amendment Act 2005, number 25 of 2005, received assent of President on 23rd June 2005. Under CRPC, summon case means case related to an offense, imprisonment which may extend to 2 years. Complainant 2D. Investigation 2H. Inquiry 2G. Victim 2WA. Non-cognizable offense means an offense wherein a police officer cannot arrest without warrant. The CRPC 1973 came into the force on 1st April 1974. The Code of Criminal Procedure Amendment Act 1994 was passed in Lok Sabha on 5/5/2005, from which date CRPC came into effect 1st April 1974. Under CRPC, nature of non-cognizable offense is non-bailable and simple. The code of CRPC came into the force on 1st April 1974.